Hello friends, today I'll show you how to download and install Go language and run a simple Hello World program. So first visit this link golang.org/doc/install and then download the tar file for Go. You can choose any version according to you. I have already downloaded the tar file, so I would not do it again. Now run this command. Remember these numbers refer to your version, so change them accordingly. I'm doing it for Linux Ubuntu. Now paste this into your terminal. Make sure to run it with sudo. Okay, now export the path. Now for running a Hello World program, just create your workspace. And create a source directory. And now create your project directory. First go into source directory and create your project directory. Now here write your program hello.go. Just copy paste the program from here for the start. And save it. Now I can build it with this command. It's built successfully and you can execute it by doing /hello. So that is it.